In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Microsoft Excel as the default application in Windows 11. If your spreadsheets keep opening in the wrong program, setting Excel as the default will fix that. So every time you open a spreadsheet file, it goes straight into Excel. Let's walk through it together from start to finish. Begin by opening the Windows Settings app. The quickest way is to press the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard at the same time. If you prefer using the mouse, click the Start button on your taskbar and select the Settings gear icon. Either method will land you in the same place. Inside Settings, look at the left-hand sidebar and choose Apps. This section manages how Windows handles software and file associations. On the right, click Default Apps. Default apps control which program opens a given file type, so this is exactly where we want to be. At the top of the default apps page, you'll see a search box labeled something like Set Defaults for Applications. Click into that search field and type Excel. Windows will narrow the list to show Microsoft Excel. If you see multiple entries such as different versions of Excel, select the one you actively use, click the Microsoft Excel entry. You'll now see a page listing file types and link types that can be associated with Excel. These are the extensions you'll recognize from your files, like xlsx for modern workbooks, xls for older workbooks, .csv for comma-separated values, .xlsm for macro-enabled workbooks, and templates such as .xltx. Each line represents a file type, and the app shown next to it is the one Windows currently uses to open that kind of file. To make Excel the default, click each file type you want Excel to handle. A small window will appear showing available apps for that file. Choose Microsoft Excel, then select Set Default to confirm. Repeat this for the other file types listed so that Excel becomes the default across the board. Taking a moment to set the common ones like xlsx, xls, .csv, and xlsm will cover most everyday scenarios. Once you're done, Windows will remember your choices. From now on, when you open spreadsheet files from File Explorer, email attachments, or your Downloads folder, they'll launch in Excel automatically. If Excel doesn't appear as an option, make sure it's installed and up to date. And if you ever change your mind, just return to this same page and pick a different app for any file type. That's all it takes to set Microsoft Excel as the default application in Windows 11. Thanks for watching and enjoy a smoother, more consistent experience opening your spreadsheets.